So good day, everyone. This is a review for the final examination in problem solving in mathematics, mathematical investigation, and mathematical modeling. So number one, a committee of five is to be formed from a group of 10 people. If two of the members refuse to serve together, how many such committees can be formed? So the answer is letter D, which is 210. Number two, solve the system of equation for real x and y if if x plus y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 10. What is x squared plus y squared? So the answer is letter C, which is 29. So number 3, a company's revenue RZ in thousands of dollars is given by the R of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 40x, where x is the number of units produced and sold in thousands. What number of units maximize revenue? So the answer is letter B, which is B, which is 10. Number 4, an investment of P dollars grows accounting to the formula A is equal formula A is equal to P multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to NT, where R is the annual interest rate and N is the number of compounding periods per year and T is the time in years. If $100 is invested at an annual rate of 5% compounded quarterly, what is the amount after 5 years? So, using the formula, we can come out of the answer of letter C, which is 1,260 $1,283.36. Number 5, the supply function for a product of S of P is equal to 2P plus 4 and the demand function is D of P is equal to 20 minus P, where is the price where P is the price. What is the equilibrium price? So the answer is letter C, which is 7. Number 6, a rectangular garden has a perimeter of 100 meters. What are the dimensions of the garden that minimize the area? So as you can see, it is a rectangular, so we can conclude that the answer is letter C, which is 25 by 25. Number 7, how many liters of 60% solution must be added to 10 liters of 30% solution to make a 50% solution? So the answer is letter C, which is 20. Ay, no. So sorry for that. So the answer is letter A, which is 10. So the population of a number 8, the population of a city is modeled by P of T is equal to 5,000 Euler raised to 0.02x at T, where T is measured in years. What is the population after 10 years? So the answer is letter C, which is 6,735. Number 9. It takes one worker 6 hours to complete a task and another worker 4 hours to complete the same task. How long will it take them to complete the task if they work together? So the answer is letter A, which is 2.4 hours. Next, number 10, a company manufactures X units of the product at a cost given by C of X is equal to 5x squared minus 300x plus 10,000. What is the number of the what is the number of units that minimize the costs? So the answer is letter D, which is 50. Number 11, a ball is thrown upward with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Ah, so velocity of 20 meters per second. Its height after t seconds is given by h of t is equal to negative 5t squared plus 20t. When does it when does the ball reach its maximum height? So the answer is letter A, which is 1 second. Number 12, the temperature of an object cooling down is modeled by T of t is equal to 20 plus the quantity of 80 minus 20 Euler raised to negative 0.1 t, where t is in minutes. What is the temperature after 10 minutes? So the answer is letter B, which is 36 degrees Celsius. Number 13, a ladder leaning against a wall makes an angle of 60 degrees with the 60 degrees with the ground. If the base of the ladder is 5 meters away from the wall, how long is the ladder? So the answer is letter B, which is 10 meters. Oh, um, sorry, the answer is letter D, which is 5 square root of 3. Number 14, a Ferris wheel has a radius of 20 meters. A person is at a height of h of t above the ground given by h of t is equal to 20 plus 20 sine the quantity of pi over 10t minus n over 2, where is where it is in seconds. where t is in where t is in seconds. How long does it take for the person to complete one revolution? So the answer is letter B, which is 20 seconds. So number 15, a building casts a shadow of 30 meters when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degrees. What is the height of the building? So the answer again is letter B, which is 30 meters. So 16, a water tank is in the shape of a cone with a base radius of 3 meters and a height of 10 meters. What is the volume of the tank? The answer is letter C, which is 94.2 m cubed. Number 17, a cylinder storage tank has a radius of 5 meters and a height of 12 meters. What is the total surface area of the tank, including the top and the bottom? So the answer is letter C. The answer is letter C, which is 565 meters squared. Number 18. A farmer has 100 meters of fencing to enclose a rectangular field. What are the dimensions of the uh, what are the dimensions of the rectangle that will maximize the area of the field? So the answer is letter B, which is 25 meters by 25 meters. A person standing 50 meters away from the base of a building observes the top of the building. At the at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. How tall is the building? So the answer is letter C, which is 43.3 meters. Number 20. A company's revenue from selling X units of a product is modeled by function of R of X is equal to 100x minus 0.x squared, where X is the number of units sold. What is the maximum revenue the company can achieve? So the answer is letter C, which is $12,500. Number 21, the population P of T of a species is modeled by a logistic growth equation. So the equation is P of T is equal to E over 1 plus E population over a population 0 and raised to RT, where P sub 0 is the initial population and T is the growth rate and K is the carrying capacity of the environment. If the species has a carrying capacity of 1,000 individuals, an initial population of 50, and a growth rate of zero point 0.1, how long will it take for the population to reach 500? So the answer is letter A, which is 15.4 years. So number 22, a company manufactures widgets. The total of function C of X for producing X units is given by C of X is equal to 200 plus 15x plus 0.1 x squared, where 200 is the fixed cost, 15x is the variable cost per unit, and 0.1 x squared accounts for additional costs that increase with the number of units produced. What is the cost? What is the cost to produce 100 widget? So the answer is letter B, which is $1,250. So number 23, a plant's growth is modeled by the equation h of t is equal to 3 Euler raised to 0.1 t, where h of t represents the height of the plant in centimeters at time t in days. If the plant starts at a height of 10 centimeters, what will its height after 5 years? So the answer is letter B, 18.4 centimeters. Number 24, a car travels a distance d in kilometers based on the time in hours it has been driving. According to the equation, d of t is equal to 60t plus 5, where 60t is the constant speed term and 5 represents the initial distance before the car started moving. How far will the car be after 3 hours? So the answer is letter B, which is 185 kilometers. Number 25, a company's profit P of X based on the number of units X sold is given by the function P of X is equal to negative 0.5 negative 0.5 x squared plus 12x minus 20. How many units must the company sell to minimize its profit? So the answer is B, which is 12 units. Number 25, no, 26, a savings account earns compound interest, and the amount of the account after t years is modeled by the equation A of t is equal to 5,000 multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus 0.5 over 4 raised to 40, where the principal is $5,000, the interest rate is 5% or 0.05, and the interest is compounded quarterly, which is 4. What is the amount in the account after 10 years? So using the formula, we can come out with the answer of letter A, which is 8,207.02. Number 27, a chemical reaction rate R of T in a laboratory experiment is modeled by equation R of T is equal to 0.5 R squared T squared plus 3T minus 2, where T is the temperature in degrees Celsius. What is the reaction rate when the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius? So the answer is letter B, which is 150. So the spread of a virus in a population is molded by the differential equation of dp over dt is equal to 0.1 p multiplied by the quantity of p multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus p over 100, where p is the population of infected individuals and t is time in days. What is the population of infected individuals after 10 days if the initial number of infected individuals is 5? So the answer is letter A, which is 10. Number 29, a building's heating system efficiency E of T over time T in R's is modeled by the equation of E of T is equal to 200 plus 100 multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus E raised to 0. And uh, so E of T is equal to 200 plus 100 multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus Euler raised to the negative 0.05T. If the system starts at 200 volts of efficiency, what is the efficiency after 10 hours? So number 29 is the answer is letter B, which is 270 volts. Number 30, a small business has a fixed cost of $5,000 per month and a variable cost of $20 per product sold. If the business sells X products, its total cost function is given by C of X is equal to 5,000 plus 20x. The business sells each product for $50. What is the number of products X the business must sell to break even? So number 30 is letter C, which is 200 products. So number 31, a student takes out a loan of $10,000 at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded monthly. What is the total amount to be paid after 3 years if the loan is to be paid off in equal monthly installment? So number 31 is letter C, which is 12,500. So number 32, an investor deposits $5,000 into an account earning 6% interest compounded annually. How much will the investment be worth after 10 years? So number 32 is equal to, and the answer of number 32 is letter B, which is $9,000. Number 33, a city's air population level P of T in mic- micrograms per cubic meter is modeled by the equation of P of T is equal to 50 Euler 50 Euler raised to 0.05 T, where T is time in hours. What is the air population level after 10 hours? So the answer of number 33 is letter A, which is 25 micrograms. Number 34. A city plans to optimize traffic flow at a major intersection by implementing a new traffic signal system. The number of vehicles N of t passing through the intersection per minute is modeled by the equation N of t is equal to 400 multiplied the multiply the quantity of 1 minus Euler raised to negative 0.1 t, where t is the time in minutes after the signal change. How many vehicles pass through the intersection in the first 10 minutes? So the answer of number 34 is letter B, which is 200 vehicles. So number 35, a car consumes fuel at the rate of 8 liters per 100 kilometer. How much fuel will the car consumes when traveling a distance of 250 kilometers? So the answer of number 35 is letter C, which is 20 liters. So number 36, the cost C of x of producing x units of a product is given by a function of C of x is equal to 2000 plus 15x plus 0.05x squared, where 2000 is the fixed cost, 15x is the variable cost, and 0.5x squared is the cost associated with the scale of production. What is the cost of producing 100 units? So the answer of number 36 is letter B, which is $2,400. Number 37. A company produced two types of products, type A and type B. Each unit each unit of type A requires 2 hours of labor and 3 units of raw materials, while each unit of type B requires 4 hours of labor and 2 units of raw materials. The company has a total of 100 hours of labor and 120 units of raw materials available. What is the maximum number of products of type A and type B must the company can produce without exceeding an available resources? The answer of number 37 is letter B, which is 30. Number 38, car travels at 60 kilometers per hour for 2 hours and then at 80 kilometers per hour for 3 hours. What is the average speed of the car of the entire journey? So the answer of number 38 is letter B. Number 39. A rectangular garden has a length of 10 meters and a width of 5 meters. If the length is increased by 20% and the width is increased by 10%, what will be the new area of the garden? So the answer of number 39 is letter C, which is 65 meters squared. So number 40, a box contains 4 red balls, 5 green balls, and 6 blue balls. If one ball is selected at random, what is the probability that the ball selected is green? So the answer of number 40 is letter A, which is 5 over 5 over 15 because we all know that the green balls has 5, and we can add all the balls. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 15, and the probability of getting a green ball is 5 over 15, which is letter A. Number 41, a factory produced items with a 3% defect rate. If 200 items are produced, how many items are expected to be detective? So the answer of number 41 is letter B, which is 6. Number 42. Number 42. A student scores 72, 85, and 90 on the first three exams. What score must the student get on the fourth exam to fourth exam to average 80? So we can all add we can all add the numbers. We can use the multiples, so we can come out of the average of 80. So the correct answer of number 42 is 85, because if you add all the numbers, so 72 plus 85 plus 90 plus 85 divided by 4, the answer is 80. So number 43, a store offers a 25% discount on a jacket priced at $120. What is the price after the discount? So the answer is letter B, which is $90. Number 44. A car's value depreciates by 10% each year. If the car is initially worth $20,000, what will be the worth after 2 years? The answer is letter A, which is 16,200. Number 45, a triangle has two sides measured 5 centimeters and 12 centimeters, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. What is the area of the triangle? So the answer is letter B, which is 20 centimeters squared. So number 46, a bag contains 3 red, 5 green, and 2 blue marbles. If a marble is picked at random, what is the probability it is green? So again, we can add all we can add all the we can add all the the number. So we can add all the marbles, so 3 plus 5 plus 2, so it will come out of 10. So if a marble is picked at random, what is the probability it is green? So we can see that 5, we can conclude that marbles that colored green is 5. So we can conclude that 5, it is 5 over 10. But we can we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by itself, by 5, so we can conclude that it is 1/2. So we can conclude that 5 over 10 divided by 5, both, we can come up with the answer is of 1/2. So number 47, a receipt calls for cups for a receipt calls a receipt number 47, a recipe calls for 3 cups of flour to make 4 servings of cookies. How many cups of flour are needed to make 10 servings? So we can say that every 3 cups is equal to 4 servings. So we have 10 servings, so we can conclude that 5, we can add 4 and 2. So we can say that 3 is equal to 4, so this is equal to 3. So half of 4 is 2. So we can say that half of 3 is 1.5. So we will add these cups. So 3 plus 3 plus 1.5 is equal to 7.5. So we can conclude that letter A is our answer. Number 48. Which of the following statement is the most general form of the Pythagorean theorem? So the answer is letter A. The square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Number 49. What is the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4, 7, 10, 13? So we can conclude that this arithmetic sequence is plus 3. In 10 terms, we can say that it is letter C, 72. Number 50. Which of the following graphs represents the equation y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3? So we can say that a parabola can form upward. So number 451. How many distinct permutations can be made with the letters in the word mathematics? Number 51 is letter B, which is 11 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Number 52, a ball is thrown straight up with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. The height h of the ball after t seconds is given by the equation h of t is equal to 20t minus 5 squared. What is the height of the ball after 2 seconds? So the answer of number 52 is letter C, which is 20 meters. A population of bacteria triples every 4 hours. If the initial population is 100 bacteria, what is the population after 12 hours? So the answer of number 53 is 2,700. Number 54. The volume V of a cylinder is modeled by the formula V is equal to pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height. If the height of the cylinder is doubled, how does this affect the volume? So number 54 is letter A, the volume is doubled. Number 55. The factory produced 200 units of the product per day. If the cost of the production increased by 5% every month, what will be the cost of production after 3 months? If the initial cost is $5,000 per month. So number 55 is letter A, 5,778.25. Number 56. A car's value depreciates by 15% every year. If the car's initiate value is 20,000, what is the car's value after 5 years? So the answer of number 56 is letter C, which is $8,000. Number 57. 57. Number 57. The relationship between the pressure P, volume V, and temperature T of a gas is given by the ideal gas law PV is equal to nRT, where N is the number of moles of gas and R is the gas constant. If the pressure of the volume are constant, what happens to the temperature when the number of moles is doubled? So the answer of Number 57 is letter C, which is the temperature has doubled. Number 58, a researcher is studying the decay of a radioactive substance. The decay follows an exponential model of n of t is equal to n sub 0 Euler raised to negative kt, where n sub 0 is the initial amount of the substance, k is the decay constant, and t is the time. If half of the substance decays is 5 hours, what is the decay constant k? So the answer of number 58 is letter A, which is ln 2 over 5. So number 59, a water tank has a capacity of 5,000 liters. If the tank is being filled at a rate of 200 liters per hour, how long will it take? How long it will take to fill up the tank? So the answer of number 59 is letter B, which is 25 hours. A committee of 5, this number 60 is just repeated by our number 1, which is a committee of 5 is to be formed from a group of 10 people. If two of the members refuse to serve together, how many such committees can be formed? So the answer is letter D, which is 210. So that's all for the review of the finals of the problem solving, mathematical investigation, and mathematical modeling. Thank you.